Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today, of course, we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video until the end because, like I said, I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So we've been trading in this range for quite some time, and we have finally got that break towards the upside, as you can see right here. And we were trading this range, and we actually shorted this level right here. Why did we short this level? Well, we established so many shorts were opening up at this level. A lot of shorts were opening up at this level. So we were expecting a short squeeze up to the previous range high, which was at this level right here. And I said, if we were to take this level out bearishly, then I'm looking for a short position. I gave you that setup right here, and as you can see, that played out perfectly. And I told my team on the Visionary Discord that I was actually entering into a short. I said, presenting us with a perfect short entry with the explanation before that as well. And as you can see, we made over 93% on that short position. So if you want access to the Visionary Discord, click the link in the description, head over to bittrading.uk, and you can gain access to this Visionary Discord. But what are we looking for now? We're looking for those next trades, because that trade did get stopped out at the entry because we took profit, moved the stop loss to entry to protect ourselves and make it a risk-free trade. So that trade did get stopped out. And then what did we do? Well, we broke out of the range, as you can see right here, and we saw a nice move towards the upside, making a new high at $38,107. And in yesterday's video, I was telling you, as price is pulling back here, if we were to see price getting accepted back into the parallel channel, then what can we look for? Well, we can look for a short position and we can target lower prices, as you can see right here. But I was also telling you, if we were to hold this previous range high as support, then we could see a bounce towards the upside. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We held it as support, so we didn't get a failed auction because we didn't get accepted back into the range, so we didn't short. So we're remaining patient and waiting for our higher prices. So the next level that I'm actually there's two levels that I'm interested in actually entering a trade at, and both of them are short trades. Why is that? Well, price is looking bearish. So I'm going to talk about that very quickly before I talk about the trades that I'm looking at taking. Now, as price is rising, we're making really nice higher highs, yes, and this is bullish. This is really bullish, and you can see we're making higher lows as well. So this is very, very bullish for us. But as we're making these higher highs, if we come and look at the CVD is telling us that we're not seeing the longs kicking into the market, and the longs are what we need to continue to push that price higher. So if the longs are not kicking into the market, we could actually expect a pullback. And this is what we want to take advantage of. We want to take advantage of that pullback by entering into a short position. So we can see price is making some really nice higher highs, but on the CVD, you can see that we are failing to make, get those longs kicking into the market, okay? So we're going to be looking for those short positions. Price is looking bearish in the medium term for me. Now we want to look for that short position. And there's two levels that I'm interested in shorting. So the first level, which we are currently at right now, is the GP and the 786 level. So if we just pull that fib, as you can see right here, we have the GP coming in here and we have the 786 coming in here. So between $37,120 and $37,560, we have the GP and the 786 coming in. And the GP and the 786 does act as strong resistance, and we are coming into this level bearishly. We can see price is making some nice higher highs, but the open interest is telling us it's bearish, and we're seeing the CVD is locally bearish as well. So we're not seeing those longs kicking into the market, which is telling us that we're going to see that continuation towards the upside. So for me right now, it is looking much, much more bearish rather than bullish. So this is the first shorting opportunity right here. I haven't entered into a short as of yet, and I will explain why in 2 seconds. But the next shorting opportunity that I'm looking at is our new key level up here at $38,107. If we are to see price come up to $38,107 and we come into that level looking bearish, what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into the short position, targeting the $36,098, which is the previous range high, as my TP1, moving that stop loss to entry, and then of course I will be targeting lower prices as well. So that is one of the setups that I would be looking for. But before that, we have the short from the GP and the 786 right here. We're looking bearish at this moment in time, coming into the GP and 786. So what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to short if we continue to respect it. So I want to see this candle continue to respect this GP and 786, okay, in the next 42 minutes. If we can do that, then what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to enter into a short. Now, I would prefer to see $38,107 being tapped to actually enter into that short. That's what I would prefer to see, but I'm not going to wait for $38,107 if price is already looking bearish at the GP and 786 level, because we know the 786, the GP and the 786 level does act as strong resistance. If we're coming into this level looking bearish, we could expect a pullback from here. So I'm not willing to risk missing the short. So what am I going to do? I'm going to enter into the short here if we continue to respect it to ensure that I'm in that short position. Stop loss will be above the high here. Now, if I get stopped out of this trade, I'm not worried at all, because I know we would possibly have a second entry up here, and I'm willing to take that risk, because what I don't want to do is I don't want to wait for the high that we've made here and miss out on the short if price actually gets rejected from this level right here. I don't want to miss out on that short, so I will be shorting this if we continue to respect it. If we don't respect it and we break above the 786, then of course I'm looking at $38,107 as that next shorting opportunity, as you can see here. But I'm willing to take the risk of shorting this just to ensure that I don't miss that short position if I am waiting for higher prices here and price decides to pull back here. So I'm willing to take the risk, I'm willing to take the loss, because I know if price is going to come into this level looking bearish and we get that short entry, I know that this trade will pay me back for that loss and much more as well if we go to where I expect us to go, you know, $36,000 approximately. And even lower price targets as well if we can break below that. So I know that that could pay me pay me very well. So I just don't want to take that risk of waiting for the high here. I want to enter into the short here. So that is what I'm going to do. And of course, I will let my Visionary members know on the Visionary Discord if and when I enter into the trade, like I did with this one right here. And yeah, we've made so many profitable trades recently. So make sure you gain advantage of gain access to this Visionary Discord. There will be a code somewhere on the screen which will give you 1 month free access. If you click join bit trading here, you can gain access to that Visionary membership, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord. There's a code, like I said, on the screen which will give you 1 month free access, so make sure you try it out. This is a very valuable Discord, so make sure you take advantage of that. These were some of the trades that we actually took within the month of October, and it was a very profitable month for us. As you can see right here, I said to everyone following me on Twitter, the month of October has been a very profitable one for all our members here at Bit Trading, taking a total of 7 trades with 6 wins and just 1 loss. These were all the trades we took. We had the scalp trades at the top here with 1 loss on that scalp trade, and then we had all the swing trades here, which with the swing trades we had a 100% win rate. So make sure you take advantage of that 1 month free access. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I've got for you today. I've given you the plan, like I always do, giving you the plan, and then of course I will let my team know if and when I enter into a trade on that Visionary Discord. So make sure you gain access to that Visionary Discord. But thank you very much for watching, guys, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.